So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the slip slip knit decrease. As you can see from this little sample, it's a left leaning decrease, often used on armholes and things like that. If you are working the decrease at the edge of your piece, I wouldn't recommend doing it on the last two stitches or the first two stitches. I would recommend working those as normal and then doing your decrease. So I've worked up to the point where I want the decrease to be. And now, as the name suggests, I'm going to slip the first stitch, but I'm going to slip it knitwise, which means I'm going to put my needle in as though to knit and just slide this off the needle. And then the next stitch I'm going to slip, but I'm going to slip this purlwise. So I'm putting the needle in as though to purl and just sliding this off. Now the next bit can be a little bit tricky, but what we need to do is put the left needle into the front of these two stitches, so it can help to hold them with your finger. And then we're going to knit as normal, so it's like knitting through the back loop of those two stitches. So we bring that through, slide off, and that's your slip slip knit decrease. Now if you find that a bit tricky, there is another way to do this. So if I just knit one stitch, and I'll show you this on the next two stitches. So again, we're going to slip this first stitch knitwise, so put your needle into knit, simply slide it off. But this time we're going to transfer that back onto the left hand needle, and then we're going to just knit into the back of those two stitches. So that gives you exact same result and the exact same effect as a slip slip knit, except you don't have to maneuver your needle into the front of the stitches. You just have to pass it from the right back to the left and knit through the back loop. So those are your two options there for the slip slip knit decrease.